Hi, Natalie Reynolds here. I've been asked by the Business Network to do a short presentation on how you can invite your LinkedIn contacts quite easily to the Business Network events. Okay, first thing you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account. Next thing, you need to find Lynn Orton. Hopefully you're already connected with Lynn on LinkedIn. If not, I will show you a different way to find the events. But if you click onto Lynn's profile and wait for it to load, Lynn has got the events application loaded on her profile. So this will display all of the Business Network events. Okay, just waiting for that to load. There we go. Now, to see all the Business Network events in all 6 locations across South Wales, click on See All Lynn's Events. This will bring up all the events that are currently listed. At the moment, we're listing 1 month at a time on LinkedIn. So what you need to do is click onto the event which you would like to invite some of your contacts to. So let's just pick the Business Network Cardiff as an example. Okay, the event will have listed the date, the time, the cost, how to book and what's involved. So it's quite comprehensive. If you click on the share button, this is the easiest way to invite your connections on LinkedIn. So it's got an automated message there saying that you found an event on LinkedIn which you think might be of interest to them, with the basic details on how to book. So what we need to do is to click onto the LinkedIn address book within the message, and this will load up all of your connections. So I've got quite a few hundred connections, but I don't want to invite them all. I'm just going to select a few of my connections who I think it might be of use to. So I'm going to click on the Cardiff area under the locations, and it will bring up all my contacts who have listed themselves as being in Cardiff. So I'm just going to click on just a few of my contacts to show an example of how easy it is to add them to the two. Another way that you can also add contacts is to click on an area. So I'm just going to click on, let's say, Birmingham, and if I wanted to invite all of those people within that area, you just click on the top button box there, and it will highlight all of the people within that list. At the moment I've only got one, so I'm just going to unclick that one at the moment because that's in Birmingham. And so I've got my 3 connections selected. It will only let you select 50 connections per message. So if I just click on finished, that will add those people to the message. We always recommend that when sending out an event email via LinkedIn is just to make it a little bit more personal. So I'm just going to add my personal note. Great networking event in Cardiff that I think you may be interested in. Full details below. Quite simply, that is done then, and all you need to do is click on the send message box, and that will go directly to their LinkedIn inbox. And also, if they've got the settings applied, it will also go through to their email. So if they do come back to you saying that they are interested, it's quite simply, you don't need to do any more of the work. You've done the hard work. Just forward the email on to Lynn at the Business Network, lynn@biznetwales.co.uk, and she will deal with the inquiry direct and do the booking of your contact onto the event. So just another way that you can find the events and share the information. If you click on the More button and down to Events, it's quite simply a case of searching for the Business Network in the Events application of LinkedIn. So I'm just going to type into the search bar there, the Business Network. Okay, obviously I've already searched for it. If you search for that now, that's going to bring up all the networking events across the UK with the Business Network as a keyword, and hopefully Lynn's will appear. Yep, there we go, and there's also one there for Chester. So I'm just going to click on the Business Network in West Wales. And another way that you can share the information, so if you want to tweet or update on Facebook, you've got the URL which can be copy and pasted. If you've got any questions, just email Natalie on info@natreynolds.co.uk. Thank you.